Hello everyone, and it's finally here. The big reveal. I mean, I'm just saying, I've been working on this, I would say, for 2 months. Anyway, I wanted to show you my room, and I call this the glam room on the budget. You know what I mean? Because we don't have that option. Some people don't have that option or have the budget to call and say, customize my closet. So I was like, okay, Keita, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna do it myself with the help of Amazon, and there's some other little brands in here, but I did this all by myself. Of course, I didn't install everything. That would be too much, and y'all know I'm not doing that. But I did order everything, and I put the vision on a piece of paper, and I want to help you do your custom closet of your room. So, as you know, I recently moved, and where I moved to, there was a bonus room upstairs, and I turned the bonus room, I think this room would be like a theater room or something like that, my game room. So I turn it into the glam room. So I cannot wait to show you my room. So let's get into it. As you know, I do fashion, beauty, home decor, but I do a lot of live videos, and I'm always changing, and I have to have a good roll rack. So this is my roll rack. It's on wheels. I love it. It holds a lot of clothes because, as you know, I do a lot of changing, and I have to have a roll rack to put my clothes, to organize it, and to get it ready. Also from Amazon. I love it. Let me tell you something. For a glam room, you gotta have some good seating, baby. So look at these beautiful chairs that I got off Amazon. They come in multiple colors. They have the accent leg and it's gold. I'm loving that. I got all my books from Amazon. It just brings a little bedazzle to your room. So if you want some good seating, check out these chairs that I got off Amazon. Perfect. So, as you know, I do a lot of Amazon Live, try on hauls. I do a lot of digital creating, and so I have to have good lighting. And let's just get into it. Alexa, turn on light switch 3.
Okay.
Baby, y'all better get some of this. I cracked myself up. Okay, so you gotta have good lighting. Of course, all my lighting is from Amazon. That light switch that controls the Alexa is also from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything for you. See how this lighting? Look at the lights. It's so much better. Good lighting for digital creating is the perfect world. So, of course, the lighting is good. And let's get into these shoes, okay? That's what everybody want to talk about, is all these shoes. As you know, I love shoes, and of course I love clothes, but I really enjoy a nice pair of shoes. So let's get into it. I did book cabinets, and they was installed, and I put all my shoes on here, and I'm in love with them. As you can see, I think I could do about 5 to 6 shoes on each row, and I'm loving that. And I have them color coordinated like this, and of course we will show pictures of the other shoes and how they're organized, like tennis shoes, boots, and all that. But look, speaking of boots, look at these boots. I also have like this little sleeve inside the boot to keep the boot standing up. And y'all know it's from Amazon. I'm just saying. It's just little detail like this that just can make your glam room like chef kiss. And it's that, okay? I love hats, okay? I have a lot of hats. And one of my biggest things is I need to see what kind of hats I have, okay? So if you got that problem like me, I used to keep them in like a little plastic container and I couldn't even remember the color or the style of the hat. Not anymore. This is a hat hanger for your hats. This is how you saving money, because normally you wouldn't even know what color hat you had and you probably would go purchase it and you would have two hats of the same color. Not anymore. Now you can see what you got. And I love this. And y'all know where I got it from. Amazon! Let's get into it. We got some more good ideas. Okay. Hats. I have a lot of hats. Okay. We had the hat hanger for all my caps and stuff like that. But what about your fedora hats? I got you. Look at this. I am loving this. You can just hang your hats. I have this little, I don't know what you want to call this, but it's a hat hanger also. And it's holding up by a command stick, okay? Command stick, you can go ahead and sponsor me if you want to do that. Anyway, but I'm loving this hat wall. It's really good. I have like 40s and I have all my hats and they're like just like that. So if you got some hats and you need them like this, fedora hats, get this. A glam room can't be a glam room without the smell goods, okay? So I love, love, love. Okay, I've been saying I love a lot. It's your glam room. You're gonna love everything, okay? So that's just me. I love everything and I love to smell good, because this is what I like to say. People gonna know I enter a room when I leave a room. When I enter, my fashion is gonna be on point and I don't have to say nothing. And when I leave, baby, they gonna know, because you gonna smell me when I leave. And that's because the wall here. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Got all my fragrance. This is a shelf that I got from what? Okay, Amazon. Good God, Amazon. Yeah, so I installed this little small shelf. I think this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tier shelf tower. Okay, so and it's gold that matches all the gold hardware in my glam room. And then I also bought these cute little stands. I have a lot of fragrance, so I bought this little clear stand so I can add a lot of my perfumes on the shelf. Versus when it's flat like this, you can just do a little, you know, but you can't really see. But if you have tiers, you can see all your fragrance. So I'm loving that. So let's get into the fun stuff. Bags, accessories, just, you know, things that you need in your glam room to keep you organized. And let's get into it. First of all, I'm loving these shelves. I got these off Ikea, okay? Ikea, go ahead. You can sponsor me. I'm with it, okay? Anyway, I got these. I love these custom bookshelf. I love them because they got drawers, and we're going to get into that. But I was loving these, but they was missing one thing, okay? I need some light. Baby, that's cute. Amazon, okay? I can't get enough of it. Okay, let's get into details. Look at this, all right? So these are, I'm loving this earring holder. I love these. This is like my holder for my everyday earrings that I wear a lot. So I'm loving that. Look, I'm just gonna, baby. I can't get enough of this. We can't have a nice feature accessory wall without the books. Okay, all these books are from Amazon. So I mean, all the fashion books, we gotta have the books. We need something to go back to style. So you gotta make sure you get fashion books, all from Amazon. We know we can't leave our bags behind, baby. So check out this display hanging rack for your bags. I'm loving this because you can adjust the length that you want for your bag. I love that. So I have my small clutches and I like it displayed like that. And baby, this fancy now. This is fancy, okay? So this is also what? Amazon. Okay, so let's get into it, baby. Loving these pull-out drawers, okay? Remember, this shelf is from Ikea. I would link it, but I'm loving how I can organize everything. My watches, my cuffs, my rings, my sunglasses. And I decided to do double shelf like this. You can look at all the rhinestone earrings I have. I'm loving this. And I also have it on both sides. So these shelves are both the same. I will link them. I did the same custom for both sides. Long necklace, sunglasses, rings. I'm loving that. Underneath each pull out for my accessories, I have 2 drawers, and as you can see, I got graphic tees and body shirts and so on. Let's get into my bathroom. So as you know, I changed this game room or theater room into my glam room, and it came with a bonus bathroom. So let's get into it. As you can see, the girl do not have a shower curtain because I'm really not using this shower. We got the what? Wigs, okay? And this is what I do. Since I wear multiple wigs, I got these wig storage bags. Okay, they look like little garment bags. And so what I do is I hang my wigs up right here instead of a shower curtain, okay? Because baby, she needs to find her wigs, all right? So this is also for Amazon. So when you come in here, it's really about me. So I always have a diffuser on. I like for it to smell really good, okay? So yes, the diffuser is Amazon. So pretty much, yeah. And so I have stuff like this, a paper towel hole, you know, because we gotta have that. That's also from Amazon. But I have little detail stuff that I have here just when I need, you know, because as you know, I have to change a lot. So like in my bathroom, I have like static guard, lint roller. Get into the inside of my drawers. I got these containers, still the clear containers, and I have everything nice and organized for all my little hair products. And I have them in both. Alright, so one of my favorite things in my bathroom, other than that hair extension storage bag, is this right here. So you know we have to make sure when we curling our hair, we have something to put that hot curler on. Of course it is pink, and this was make this special. You can take this to go. So let me just show you real quick. So I never know when I have to do like a go see or when I have to travel. So if my curl lines are hot, I can just do this, and it's perfect for traveling. And it is perfect. You don't have to worry about melting nothing with this. Let's just get into the racks, okay? So I decided to get this gold pipeline racks. Amazon, baby. I love these racks. You can get the long racks for your long clothes right here. And that is what I have. And then I also have the short racks as well. And what was really cool, I also did all my hangers from Amazon, okay? All of this is budget friendly, okay? And that's why I'm able to get so many clothes on these racks, because it's due to these hangers as well. So let's get into it a little bit more. Here are another set of racks, and these are double racks. They're the gold pipeline and they double racks. And what I like with these, I got my skirts, and of course I got my pants, I have my sets, I have everything organized based off the category, and I love that. And as you can see, the pipeline goes well. You can adjust the pipeline, you can adjust how long you want it, and I think that's what make it really cool. So I'm really liking that. So this was also from Amazon, and I love that. All right, let's continue. Okay, so we can't have a glam room without the glam station. And so I wanted to make sure my station and myself was in one. We gotta have a good chair. We can't do makeup without a good chair. I love this chair. I would link one similar on Amazon. And being that this is a glam station, I have to wake up with a good quote. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. So, and I have this rug, of course. I love it because it's pink and it says hello gorgeous, but when I do makeup, sometimes makeup dust would get on my floor, and so I put the rug down to catch the makeup dust. So let's get into this station. So when I wake up, I'm pretty much is ready. I want that positive vibe, and I start with Alexa, play Get Ready With Me playlist.
Your playlist, Get Ready With Me, on Amazon Music.
Right now. I be with the hit maker. Baby, come give me something. Oh.
All right, Alexa, stop playing.
Baby, come give me
Alexa, stop playing. I mean, you gotta have you make sure you got that in the glam station, because you gotta have your Get Ready With Me, okay? You gotta have that. All right, so let's just get into this. All right, so my makeup station, I have all my brushes. I like this. It keeps my brushes organized, and sometimes your brushes can get dirty, and so this keeps them all together so all the dust will stay in the cases. All this was from Amazon. Now we gotta have the organization for the glam station. I bought all these trays from Amazon. They are perfect for you to organize your makeup. I love it. Alright, so we to the end. I have a little island. I like custom did this island. I will also link that in my accessories. I love to keep my accessories like so I can see them. So all these accessory stands will also be linked. They're from Amazon. And oh my goodness, we're to the end. I mean, I feel like I was on Cribs. Welcome to my crib. So we're at the end, and I will make sure I link everything. So if you was inspired by me and you started your own glam room, I would love to see it. So make sure you tag me on Instagram, on my social media page, Style Keita. If you're on TikTok, Style Keita Lifestyle. If you're on Facebook, Keita Easton. I would love to see like what inspired you, and that would be so much fun. We could just keep this party going. I will be coming back soon with more home decor finds.